Magandang hapon po ng October 13, 2025 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 13, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, October 13, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 13, 2025, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, October 13, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 13, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.